Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to set your TikTok account to private, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to set your TikTok account to private, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your TikTok app. And once you're on TikTok, next, go to your profile. And once you're on your profile, now go and tap the menu in the top right corner. Then after that, go to Settings and Privacy. And then go to Privacy. And then right here, you will now be able to see the private account option. So to make your TikTok account private, you just need to turn it on. And after turning it on, it's done. Congratulations, your TikTok account will now be turned into private. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.